Let me show you what you can do if your LP40 ThinkPad earbuds basically do not work. Maybe one side doesn't work and maybe one works. So there are actually different things we can do. First, actually observe these contacts on the ends of them. So you see these metal things here, and actually take like a cloth and make sure they're actually clean. So maybe you have some finger smudges basically on them, or maybe they are dirty, so simply make sure these are clean. So you can also clean them maybe with alcohol as well. And if basically the tips aren't actually clean, they can't actually understand if they are actually placed in the case, and they actually do not even turn on themselves sometimes. And also, of course, if it's like dirty, it also can't charge from this case as well, so that might be one of the problems. And we can also basically verify if this charges successfully by looking at this light over here. So if you, for example, insert this one, okay, in the other way, so as you see, the light will actually turn on. So make sure, try one by one, close it, make sure the light goes off, and basically try to insert the other one as well and see if the light actually comes on. Then also these earphones are actually known to have some charging syncing issues as well. So basically one of them can actually discharge faster than other, or maybe one is like charging slower basically, and sometimes that basically throws them out of whack basically, and one simply stops working. So what you can do is actually make sure you actually charge them up as much as you can basically, and then simply place one inside and actually turn on your music on this one. So basically leave this like inside the case, close the case and leave it alone, but only start playing music on this one and let it play for like half an hour, maybe 1 hour, and then basically once done, again simply insert it back in case, again wait some moment like 30 minutes and see if basically after that they actually start to work. So again, they actually are known to have some like charging imbalance basically and stuff like that, which sometimes cause some errors. Also, what else you can do, you can also go to your Bluetooth settings and like pretty much unpair them. So simply click forget and pair them another time. Actually, I suggest you to actually pair them with a different phone, not this one. So maybe ask a friend's phone and pair it with his phone basically, and see if that actually like revives them. Then again, you can also like if again one is you can also try to fully discharge them. So again, they're completely empty. If basically if you suspect this is empty, again try to fully discharge them, and again put them both in and charge them at the same time basically, and wait some time basically in the case and let them charge up. Maybe that will actually solve the issue. Anyway guys, let me know in the comments which method actually worked and actually what stuff basically worked to get them back running for you. Anyway, good luck.